Hello. Go ahead and get on joinpd.com and enter in the code. If you're watching this as a video because you missed class, then obviously you're not going to enter in the code. You'll just wait for us to move through the lesson. I'm going to give you a couple more seconds to enter in the code. Fabulous. Looks like we have everyone today. So we're going to do direct instruction vocab today. We have 3 words: species, diversity, and extinction. So let's move on to our first word. Our first word is species. Let's say it twice. I say it first, and then you repeat. Species. Species. A species is a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or interbreeding. Some examples and non-examples. Some examples would be an alpaca, an orange ball sponge, and a cactus moth. Some non-examples would be a car, or table, or air. Go ahead and give me 2 examples of species. Now go ahead and give me your own definition of species. Now you're going to move the stars to the 3 boxes that have species in them. All right, let's go over them. Fruit bat, species or non-species? Species, yes. What about Dr. Pepper? That is a non-species, correct. Water, also a non-species. What about an aardvark? That is a species. They're very similar to anteaters. What about a tapir? That is also a species. They're super cute. It's my mom's favorite animal. What about a hamburger? That is a non-species. Now that comes from species of cows, but hamburger itself is a non-species. Our second word is diversity. I'll say it, you repeat it. Diversity. Diversity. Diversity is a change in a species. Some examples would be race, ethnicity, age, likes and dislikes. For animals, fur color, location, eye color. Some non-examples is reading the same book, sitting down, doing something the exact same. Go ahead and give me 2 examples of diversity. Now go ahead and write your own definition of diversity. Fabulous. Now go ahead and move the stars so that you have them on 3 boxes that show diversity. And then we'll go over the answers. Sports you play, is that diversity? Yes, because not everybody plays the same sport. What about plants growing? No. What about signs on the wall? No. What about favorite food? Yeah, that's diversity. What about honesty? No, that is not diversity. What about location? Yes, location is diversity. Extinction is our last word. So I'm going to say it, you're going to repeat it. Extinction. Extinction. Extinction is a species that dies out forever. Some examples would be dodo birds and the woolly mammoth. Dodo birds are on the movie Ice Age, the very first one, the weird birds with the watermelons. And non-examples would be a toucan and grizzly bear. Now go ahead and come up with 2 new non examples of extinct species. So species that are still alive today. Fabulous. Now go ahead and write your own version of the definition of extinction. Last one. Which ones are extinct? Ignore that it still says potential energy. I forgot to change it. So, which animals are now extinct? Go ahead and move your stars. All right, is a house cat extinct? No, it's not. I have proof at home that house cats are not extinct. What about a saber-toothed tiger? Yes, saber-toothed tigers are extinct. What about a Siberian husky? Nope, those aren't extinct. A T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus rex. Correct, that is extinct, thankfully. What about a polar bear? Good, a polar bear is not extinct, but they are on the endangered species list. What about a brontosaurus? Correct, yes, a brontosaurus. It's what is known as a long neck, if you ever watched any of those movies. Yes, those are extinct. It is a type of dinosaur. All right, so the three words that we went over today were species, diversity, and extinction. Okay? All right, that's it. Have a great day.